Hello and welcome to Apple Leaves. Today I'm going to show you how to make an almond milk at home. Almonds are nutrient dense and have a lot of health benefits. Almond milk is a great dairy-free nut milk and it's incredibly easy to make. The benefits of making almond milk are that you won't have any preservatives or stabilizers and you will be able to control the amount of sweetness. So let's begin. You will need 1 cup of raw almonds, preferably organic, 4 cups of filtered water, 3 pitted dates, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of sea salt. Place the almonds in a bowl, add the filtered water and make sure they are fully submerged. Cover with a lid and let them soak overnight. The next day, you will see that the water is murky and the almonds are slightly plumped. Drain the almonds and give them a good rinse. Make sure that you are using raw almonds, not roasted or salted ones. Otherwise, you will have salty or oily flavor in your milk. Transfer almonds to your blender, add 4 cups of filtered water. For sweetness, you can use dates, honey, agave syrup or maple syrup. In this recipe, we use 3 pitted dates. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of sea salt. Cover your blender with a lid and blend it for 2 minutes on high or until it's smooth. To strain the almond milk, I will use the nut milk bag. I prefer this one because it's made of 100% organic cotton and not nylon mesh. You will find the link in the description box. Gently squeeze out all of the almond milk and almond pulp will be left in the bag. You can dry it and use in the future recipes. Pour the almond milk in the storage container. I use wax juice jar. Perfect fit for this amount of milk. Refrigerate your almond milk until it's cold. You can use this homemade almond milk in your smoothies, add to your coffee, or just simply enjoy with cookies. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!